Whether you're prototyping database applications or data warehouse ETL operations, capacity planning or benchmarking new platforms, developing software or migrating systems, or needing to outsource support or demonstrate a program, you need safe, intelligent test data. Most test data generation tools extract or subset and then mask your production data and call it ready for use. But is it? The best solution is one that produces safe, intelligent test data that reflects production data realistically but does not require real production data. That means synthetic data that represents all the qualities of real database tables, sequential files, and formatted reports. The only product that can guarantee this realism, plus produce, populate, and even perform transformations within humongous test targets quickly, is IRI RowGen. How does RowGen deliver realism without real data? RowGen randomly generates values in every data type and range you specify, or selects data at random from set files. RowGen preserves referential integrity by respecting primary and foreign key relationships, builds compound data values and formats from scratch, can conditionally place constants and variable values in the targets, supports embedded math, transformation, and custom functions, builds all pairs and join pair sets, and produces normal and weighted distributions to mimic real data frequencies. So how do you use RowGen? You can build, modify, and run RowGen jobs in the familiar visual environment of its Eclipse GUI, the IRI workbench, or in simple batchable 4GL scripts the GUI supports and you can read, write, and understand. RowGen is the only tool that can create high volumes of test data on multiple operating systems and manipulate that data for application compatibility. That's because data transformations like these are built into the RowGen program and can run during the generation pass. RowGen also allows you to create, save, and reuse specific generation rules across multiple tables with like-named columns so your test targets will not only look more realistic, they'll behave that way too. Even though RowGen data is usually synthetic, its production characteristics, including referential integrity, are preserved. And when you run RowGen, your test data goes directly into your database tables, files, and even formatted reports, and if you're clever, in the same operation. So remember, IRI RowGen for total test data generation and management, whenever you need safe, intelligent test data to stress test applications, prototype database and ETL jobs, benchmark accurately, outsource safely, or validate your future production operations with confidence.